Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify about novelty and gifts items, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So that's it. First of all, you have to do enter your email and start free trial. Now here you can just skip all this if you want, and let's continue. Choose an account and wait a few seconds to build this website. So the first thing here you have to do, go to the online store and go to the themes here where you can change your themes if you want. So here you can change your theme if you want. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can select any one, just click add and wait to install in the theme. Once your theme is installed, just click here publish, and now you can customize it on your homepage store. So here click customize and it will take you to the store. So this is your store. First you have the style of your page. You can change the style. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like full screen. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here you have the settings where you can design your store. So first the header, find the announcement bar. Here you can change the color scheme. Also you can show separator line, you can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto rotate announcements, and you can also enable country region selector. So that's it. Now let's get back to the announcement here where you can change the text. You can also pass a link or search for something. For example, I'm gonna select the all collections. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. Here you find the desktop logo position. You can change it. You can manage the desktop logo position. You can manage the main menu or remove it if you want. You can manage desktop menu type, and also you can manage the sticky header. You can turn this on, show separator line. Also you can manage the color scheme. You can manage the menu color scheme. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. Here where you can edit the spacing, the bottom margin, and the section padding, the top padding, and the bottom padding. And here where you can manage the theme settings. You can add your social media links like a Twitter or Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest or whatever you want to add. Let's move on to the logo position. Here you have you can select images from your library, or for example let's search on this on the browser and upload it from the browser. Gifts and novelty items logo ideas like this. So for example this. Just put it here and wait to upload the image. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time you want or remove it. So that's just for example. You can edit the desktop logo width or the vertical offset. So let's get back. Let's move on to the slideshow. Here where you can change the layout if you want. You can also change the slide height, and you can manage the pagination style. You can turn this on, auto rotate slides. You can manage the image behavior. Also you can manage the accessibility. So that's it. Now let's get back. Now let's move on to the slide. Here you can select an image like for your browser or from your library. for example from browser. So for example this, here you can change the heading, you can generate the text. So just to describe what this text is about, for example gifts, and novelty items. And now generate, for example this, you can edit the form of the text, you can manage the heading size, you can generate the subheading, describe what this text is about, uh, gifts items. So for example this, you can change the button label or the button link, you can also use outline button style. So that's it. Here you can change the color scheme, you can manage the mobile content alignments. So that's it. Now let's get back. Now let's move on to the featured collections. Also here the heading, you can generate the text, gifts items. Now click here generate and choose from the suggestions from, for example this. You can also manage the heading size, you can add description just like this, describe what this text is about. You can show collections description from the admin, you can also manage the description style, you can change the collection, you can create another collection, you can make product full width. Also you can enable view all from if collection has more products that's shown. You can also edit the color scheme. So that's it. Now the last section, the footer section, here you can edit the email sign up, you can change the color scheme, or if you want to make a section full width, you can also edit the section padding, the top padding and the bottom. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click add section and select what kind of sections you want to add, for example image banner or image with the text. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, you can go to the theme settings, you can edit the logo or the colors, typography or whatever you want here. So after this you can just click here save. And now let's get back to the dashboard, the home page. Now after you add your first product, after you add the custom domain, and after you add the sharing details, the next step is name your store. Click here and now you can name it. Name your store, type any name you want. Here you can enter your store phone, you can change the store email. So let's save this. Now after you're done from customizing your store, now all you have to do is launch your store, your online store, and you can publish it. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.